When you press the Start-Stop button from here, you will have access to your sport activity page. But if you want to reorder some of them, you will need to go on the sport you want to reorder. Let's say that this one, tennis, I want to put it at 4th position under walk, bike, and hike. So I will go on this one and press and hold the left button, and then go down to I could remove it from favorite, copy it, reorder, or remove the app from the list, or even delete it from the device. I will reorder it, and I will place it just right here. If, for example, I take another one, let's go lower, pool swimming, and I want to add it into favorite, well, I can press and hold it, the menu button, and then set as favorite. And this one, roll up to the favorites. I place it, no, not here. I want to put it, reorder. I want to put it just right under tennis, like that. Then if you have some others that you don't want to see, like this triathlon, for example, we'll press and hold, go down on delete app from device. I don't want to see it anymore. And then continue. If you have a break or a triathlon or something like this, you can also press and hold the button and go on break setting and then change the activity you will see into it. But that's a story for another video. So that's how you manage what you see into your sport activity page. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.